Hello, I'm Shetu from MailBluster. In this tutorial, we'll see how to set up an Amazon SES API in MailBluster. When you sign into your MailBluster dashboard and click on Connect AWS, it will ask for these credentials: Access Key ID, Secret Access Key, and Amazon SES region. What we're going to do is create these credentials in AWS for MailBluster. Just a heads up, MailBluster sends the emails to your subscribers' inbox via your Amazon SES account. We chose Amazon SES because it's the best tool we have so far for sending an email at scale with higher deliverability and at the lowest cost. To get started, you will need an Amazon AWS account. If you do not have one, you can go to aws.amazon.com/free and create an account for free. Let's get started with the API key setup. Go to console.aws.amazon.com and log in as a root user to your AWS console. Click on your profile name on the top right corner of the page. Select the button My Security Credentials. Click on Users and select Add User. Now you're on the Add User page. Type MailBluster in the username box. Select AWS Access type Programmatic Access. Click on Next Permissions. Select Attach Existing Policies directly. We will need two permissions, SES and SNS. Search for SES and select Amazon SES Full Access. Now search for SNS and select Amazon SNS Full Access. Click Next, Tags. Adding a tag is optional. You can simply click Next Review. Review the permission summary and make sure you have the two permissions in the list: Amazon SES Full Access and Amazon SNS Full Access. Click on Create User. Now you have your access key ID and secret access key. Download the file and keep it in a safe place, as this is the only time AWS will let you see these credentials for the security purposes. Now go to your MailBluster dashboard and click on Connect AWS. Provide the access key ID and secret access key you created on AWS. For the SES region, if your Amazon AWS account is new like the one we're using right now, choose the region that best suits you and your client's location. And remember to select the exact same region when you'll apply to Amazon for a sending limit increase. If you have an existing AWS account with an increased sending limit for a region, select that specific region for MailBluster. Save the credentials. There you go. Your MailBluster account is now connected to your AWS account. As it's a new AWS account, Amazon keeps it in the sandbox mode with some restrictions. No worries, you can get your account out of the sandbox. We have a guide on this and the link is provided in the video description. Happy sending!